Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and all that, guys. All the good stuff. I'm gonna teach you how to PvP like a pro. You know, the good stuff. So from here, I'm gonna just show you this duel and play some music, and after that, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks. See ya. Okay, guys. I hope these duels beat Gapple. Yeah, and then I'm gonna show you my ticks and tricks. That's what I was about to say. My tricks and tips. As you saw, my hand was cramping up in there. Duel is duel. There you go. So, what I do for Gapple, this is different for me. I take off my helmet, okay? I take off my helmet, drink my pot, and then I gap. And I let him think I'm gonna die, because I took off my helmet, and then I put my helmet right there. But I go, you see how I hit for the chest? I hit for the chest and legs. I hit for the chest and legs. Oh, I just missed my combo right there. But I keep moving. I'm not that person that goes like this. I can do it like that though. I can straight line really bad. Oh, I'm dead. I wasn't looking at my hearts. But I could straight line really bad. But all I do, guys, is all you need to do, guys. is just go for the legs. Go for the legs and almost the chest plate, and you will get the combo almost every time, guys. Every time. Don't go for the head. Don't go for the boots. Wait, I can show you. I can literally show you guys. If I go for the head, guys, here I'll take off this. So when their helmet breaks, so look, I'll go for the head. Look, yeah, I'm getting barely hits on them, but and then I go for their chest. Look at that. Try to get behind them. Try to go through them. Go through them. Mess with their mind, bro. All you need to do is just go through them. Make them spin. Make them think that you're hacking, you know? Just go through them. These are pearls. You got these pearls. I'm gonna gap. So I haven't gapped. Just bam. See that? So now he's gonna gap. He needs to gap, but mess with him. Don't let him hit you. Like, that's the goal. In a gap there. Just play with his mind. See how I'm hitting at the boots and chest almost? Good, look, that's me trying to aim for the helmet. Oh, those don't register. The counter box is in the legs and chest. Yeah. What? No, let me. That was weird. See how I already broke his helmet and mine's still at 20? He's probably hitting my chest plate. Go for the legs, and then if you got the low ground, keep the low ground. Like if you can, because look, you can just combo him out. I need to drink the strength and all that, but that's basically all it is, guys. And as long as you can get 6 clicks per second or 5, you should be straight. You can basically kill anyone that's not hacking, guys. And make sure to block hit. Block hit's the best. Dude, for my kind of view, block hitting is good because your CPS goes up. But thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, leave a like, and if you want more like this, comment below. Give me suggestions what you guys want me to do, and peace.